Okay, good evening, everyone. How are you today?
I'm fine, Miss Ulta. How about you?
I'm fine too. Actually,
Oh,
not too fine. So it is too hot here. The weather. I mean the weather is so hot and make me like yeah, just feel hot and rather like everything is not nice.
oh.
Uh,
How
how,
about your voice? Are
mm,
you healthy?
my voice is all almost gone too. I don't know why. Oh my God, become so sexy.
Oh,
Okay. How are you, Bu Lestari?
oh, I'm fine. Very, very fine.
Okay, great. And how about let's me ask Bu Fifi. Bu Fifi, how are you today?
Fine, Miss. Thank you, Miss. Miss boleh
Okay,
nanya? Boleh
boleh.
nanya, Miss. Yang materi terakhir kemarin ya meeting 11 itu
Mm-mm.
ada simple past and past participle.
Ya,
Yang tahu ya apa bedanya dan kapan digunakan, Miss? Thank you, Miss.
oke. Simple past. Ya, simple past digunakan ketika sesuatu itu sudah terjadi dan with a definite time. Usually biasanya kalau di dalam konteksnya selalu disebutkan keterangan waktunya. Like yesterday and also blah 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 ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, a month ago, and others, and also last blah 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 ya. Yang lalu ya, last Monday, last Monday and others. While for the past participle ya or past progresif ya Bu ya.
Iya, past participle.
Oke, yang past progresif itu digunakan ketika kita menyatakan sesuatu yang telah terjadi tetapi waktu itu sedang begitu ya. Jadi
Oh, paham.
jadi kita membayangkan saat saat itu dia sedang melakukan sesuatu. Nah, tetapi kalau yang past tense, yang simple past tense itu kita menyatakan sesuatu yang sudah terjadi. And usually with the definite time.
Oke, thanks, Miss.
Okay. Okay, now let's come to Mbak Janet. Mbak Janet, how are you today?
Halo, good evening, Miss. Good
Good
evening, Mbak Lestari, Mbak
evening.
Vivi, Mbak Sylvia, Mbak Rianti.
Halo, Miss.
I'm really great today, Miss. Really fine.
Okay, always
And
cheerful, right?
here hot too. Bukan sih, di sini juga panas.
Oh, the weather is, oh yeah,
Sangat
yeah, it seems.
panas di sini. Really hot. Apa
It's
ya?
almost here in Malang 29 degrees Celsius now, right now, yeah.
29.
Usually in my place it's around 18, 19, 17, ya. Biasanya cuma kisaran 17 sampai 19 derajat. Kalau sekarang sudah 29 derajat Celcius.
Wah,
sama ya,
The
Miss. Di Riau juga.
oh,
sini
okay.
31,
Yeah.
26
Since
sekarang.
mhm. Usually Malang tuh nggak pernah sampai segini, maksudnya gitu. This is the I don't know. And about the prediction for Surabaya area, it's almost 42 degree. Surabaya mencapai 42 derajat Celcius begitu ya.
Bagaimana rasanya itu?
Ha, nah itu. Yes, many many announcement that we have to protect ourselves from the sun, sign and others, yeah, and also we should bring water everywhere because jangan sampai dehidrasi begitu ya. And I think Surabaya is the most the hottest one from the prediction of dari prediksi BMKG ya. Itu paling parah Surabaya. Okay, now let's move to Mbak Sylvia. Mbak Sylvia, how are you today?
Hello, Miss.
Are you okay?
I'm good. I'm doing well. How are you,
Okay.
Miss?
Yeah, like this.
Your voice is sexy.
Mm. For this last 2 months, I got my sexy voice.
Yeah, maybe you are too busy and exhausted.
Yeah, it can be, it can be.
Yeah,
Okay, but everything will run well, right?
yeah, amin.
I mean, thank
Amen.
you, Mbak Sylvia. And then how about Mbak Arinta? Mbak Arinta, how are you today?
Pretty good, Miss.
Okay. Seems it is a green day for Monday, Bu. Kalau yeah, for Monday, I have 5 classes, so it is exhausted, really exhausted ya. Sudah exhausted tambah really lagi memang ya.
Busy, Miss, busy.
Busy, very busy for Monday, every Monday.
Yes,
Hmm.
I have I.
It is a green day memang ya kalau hari Monday itu ya.
Yes.
Okay, let's continue our meeting today through this one. Not only me who feel tired, but also my laptop seems feel tired too. Then it is so become so slow and but it's okay. Hopefully it work well. Can you see?
Not yet.
But yet it's just black screen.
That's why. Let's wait. What should I do then? How about now? Is it visible? Not yet?
Yeah, yeah, we can see your screen.
Okay. Today because Green Day, let's talk about like a simple thing ya. Let's talk about simple thing. Giliran di saya nih yang masih lemot, masih menunjukkan black screen. Okay, ya. Let's talk about article and the. Okay. Kalau kemarin kita belajar tentang tenses ya, yang agak berpikir keras. Sekarang kita agak santai. Besok lagi kita sambung lagi ke tenses ya. Okay, let's talk about and the. Here the example is that's a nice car. And did you clean the cars? The car, okay, the car means our car or this car. Okay, then we have got a dog. Where is the dog? The dog means our dog or the dog that live here. Then you have got a big garden, and the dog's in the garden. The garden means our garden. It can be our garden or the garden at this house. That's something that we know. Okay. Then is there a situation in this town? The situation is in the town center. The station, oh my God. Is there a station in this town. The station is in the town center. The station in this town. The station, the means that the here is something that we know. We know the place, we know the name, we know the, okay, the. This is an interesting book. The author has some very unusual idea. The author here means the author of these books. So you know the author. For example, this is the book. And when you read this book, you know the author name, for example. Then we can say this author has some very unusual ideas because we know the writer is. For example, the writer here is Miss Ulfa. Oh, the writer. Berarti kita sudah tahu siapa penulisnya. The something that written here. Okay. This different with a, like this is an interesting book. Only such kind of a general one. The cafe next to the station is open all night. We know which cafe. Kita tahu kafenya yang mana, yang ditunjuk yang mana. It is the cafe next to the station. Jadi ketika kita berbicara menggunakan the, berarti the itu adalah spesifik untuk something yang sudah diketahui si pembicara dan juga yang diajak bicara. Oke, kalau di sini kita keterangannya adalah an plus singular noun. That's a nice car. There are other nice cars, and we are talking about one of them. The plus singular or plural noun. The here is one in particular. Ya, jadi one in particular. We are talking about a noun object. Kita membicarakan sesuatu yang kita sudah ketahui bersama, atau pembicara, speaker, and also the addressee. Person or animal. Everything, ya, yang kita tahu, berarti kita bisa menggunakan the. The speaker and listener. Now, which one is it? It is not one of many. It is one in particular. It means that ketika berbicara menggunakan berarti di sana ada banyak yang lainnya, tetapi kita menunjuk hanya itu. Nah, yang itu. Ya, akan tetapi ketika kita menggunakan the, itu benar-benar spesifik. The specific one. We know the object, we know the person, we know the animal, ya, we know something that we talk about. Bukan membicarakan we are, ya, di sini ya. It is not one of many, bukan salah satu dari yang banyak itu, tetapi it is one in particular. Bedanya an sama the. Ketika sama an itu adalah di sana ada banyak, kita hanya menyebutnya yang satu saja. Kalau the, kita memang spesifik menyebut barang itu, bukan bagian dari barang yang lain. Ya, it can be di sana hanya, ya, meskipun for example the car yang di mana itu loh, yang di seberang jalan, across the road, for example. Nah, di situ ada berapa car? Nah, bisa jadi cuma ada satu itu doang. Nah, atau ketika di sana ada banyak, ya, di sana ada banyak. Nah, misalnya mobil saya warna biru, ya. Kemudian saya berbicara sama anak saya. In the car. Nah, the-nya di situ adalah merujuk pada mobil kita yang berwarna biru. Jadi memang benar-benar spesifik, ya, in particular, only one, ya. Not one of many. Bukan satu dari sekian banyak, bukan. Tetapi memang the itu cuma satu. Oke, kita lanjut ke sini biar lebih paham lagi. Oke, what is this? Could you mind to read number 1? Bu Lestari? You unmuted, Ibu. Masih di mute.
Yeah.
Oke.
Number,
Number one.
can you get the fresh cream cake when you're out?
Oke, number one first. Number one.
This is a beautiful painting. Does the artist live near here?
Oke, this is a beautiful painting. Is the artist live near here? Ya, karena diketahui itu adalah something, ya. Kita berbicara dengan orang lain. This is berarti barangnya ada di depan kita, ya. Then is the artist live near here? The artist berarti artis yang menuju kemana? Refers to someone who paint that picture or uh, yang melukis tadi, ya. Jadi the-nya memang sudah benar-benar ke arah sesuatu yang sudah benar-benar definite. Sudah kita tahu apa yang dimaksud. Oke. Well, look at number 2. I bought a new toothbrush this morning and I cannot find it. I'm sure I put it in the bathroom. Nah, I bought a new toothbrush in this morning. It means that a new toothbrush kalau kita beli bisa jadi di sana ada banyak ya, cuman kita belinya cuma satu. Biasanya kalau kita beli pasti di sana ada banyak, baru kita ambil satu. Nah, logikanya seperti itu ya. I bought new toothbrush this morning and I cannot find it. But I cannot find it. I'm sure I put it in the bathroom. Nah, bathroom yang dimaksud adalah yang sudah diketahui antara speaker and listener. Berarti kan di tempatnya dia. Nah, di kamar mandinya dia sendiri begitu ya. Okay, and let's try to answer number 3 to 10. Nanti yang sudah bisa langsung saja ya.
Can you get the fresh cream cake when you're out? A shop on the corner usually sells them.
Okay, can you get blah 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 fresh cream cake when you are out? The blah 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 shop on blah 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 corner usually sells them. Kira-kira mana yang lebih spesifik?
Yang fresh cream cake?
Fresh cream cake. A fresh cream cake.
Oke, yang mana yang lebih spesifik yang kita tahu tempatnya atau barangnya?
Tokonya, tempatnya.
Tokonya. Berarti kita menulis the di sini.
Oh, begitu.
Pojok.
Ya.
Oh,
Oke. Kalau yang di sini,
Tokonya. Spesifik toko.
the shop
Yang-
apa a shop?
The
The
shop ya.
a shop. Di
Karena
sana
tidak
ada,
diketahui ya.
bukan. Di sana ada banyak toko. Nah,
a
fokusnya
shop
di sana
on the
lebih
corner.
a shop on the corner usually sells them. Ada tuh satu toko di pojok situ. Nah,
Oh,
pojoknya yang diketahui, pojokan itu gitu ya. Kemudian how about the first one? Can you get blah 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 fresh cream cake when you are out?
Uh,
Can you
Oke.
get a price?
oh,
It is rather than lebih ke kenapa? Karena fresh cream cake bisa jadi orangnya baru ngoven memang selalu jual yang fresh.
oh, begitu.
Okay, then let's do number 4.
Oh, very nice.
Mhm. It is a
It's a
very
very nice.
nice
Yeah.
school
Yeah.
and
and
The
the teachers.
okay. Why we use the?
Karena di sana guru-gurunya banyak.
Aha,
That's what
karena
we
kita
know.
sudah tahu di sini.
Oh,
It is a nice school. Nah, ya, kita sudah tahu yang mana sih teacher yang mana sih ya di sekolah ini. Nah, ya. Jadi kita sudah mengetahui, ketika kita sudah mengetahuinya itu spesifik, maka kita menggunakan the. Ketika yang seperti ini kan masih umum, it is a very nice school, bukan it is the very nice school. Oke, Oke. Now look at number 5.
A cat in the garden.
Look, there's a cat in the garden.
There is,
a cat in the garden.
A cat.
okay, there is a cat
Cat in the garden.
in the garden. Yes, it is.
A cat. It is a cat.
It is
Cat
the cat from next door.
next door.
Nah, itu kucingnya tetangga. Nah, berarti kan sudah tahu ya. Oke, jadi bukan yang kita tidak tahu lagi. Nah, ketika ada orang bilang, "Look, there is a cat in the garden." Yes, it is the cat from the next door. Itu dari tetangga, apa kucingnya tetangga. Nah, gitu ya. Oke, now number 6.
There's a man at the door.
man
There is a man
At the door.
Aha. Suaranya Mbak Janet ya yang jauh ini.
Ya kah? There's a man at the door.
Oke,
He wants to see you.
suaranya jauh. Ini yang jauh bukan saya yang ini ya. Memang jauh ya.
Iya, suaranya
Bisik-bisik
jelas.
Oke.
Suara jelas.
Oke, next number 7. We stayed in
Uh,
a
very
very
nice
nice
A
hotel.
very nice photo.
Very
in
nice.
a very nice hotel.
The room
Room
was
was comfortable.
comfortable,
The room was comfortable
The food
And the
was
food
excellent.
was excellent.
and the food was excellent.
Yeah.
Yep. Next, number 8.
I bought
People
a
lihat
new
a new jacket.
Okay. The
New
new
jacket, mas-
yesterday, two of
the button
button come on.
apa?
Of
came off.
The
two
button,
of the button. The
Okay.
the
Two of the buttons come off. I'm taking it back to
shop.
The stop.
the shop.
the shop.
Kenapa? Karena kita sudah tahu tokonya di mana tempat membelinya, ya. Kenapa kita pakai the juga? Karena jaketnya juga kita sudah ketahui, ya. Oke, next number 9.
The bag this morning. I had the bag.
I had
Uh,
The bag is this morning.
What?
Had a bag.
I had a bed.
A bag.
oke,
I had
apa the?
Oh, oh.
Oke, I had
the
a bed this
A
morning,
bag.
but
The water.
The water
okay,
Oh,
the water was a bit good.
it cold.
Okay, next number 10.
Anna was
Anna
at
was
the
at
airport. The airport waiting for a friend.
okay,
the
the airport waiting for
A friend.
A friend.
friend. Okay. Okay, so these are the difference between and the in use, yeah, the use of and the in indicating that there are many things that we pointed on. kita ini yang satu saja, or for the general one. And then for the is for specific, that we know what kinds of thing that we refers to, or something or someone or some anything, yeah, that we know it. Okay, let's continue to the next slide. Okay, so the having meaning definite article. Ya, jadi the itu adalah definite article. Contohnya adalah the moon looks beautiful tonight. The sky is very gray. Use the okay, wait. Okay, let's continue. The mean definite article, like the moon looks beautiful tonight and the sky is very gray. We use the when there is only one. The moon, the sun, the sky, the sea, the weather, the earth, the world, the president of France, the capital of Great Britain. If it is only one, we can use the. Okay, and so we don't use a or the before most name of place, ya, like London, France, Afrika, Indonesia. Kita tidak perlu menambahkan an Indonesia atau di Indonesia, no ya. Jadi langsung saja Indonesia. Nama tempat biasanya tidak perlu artikel ataupun the. Okay, let's move to the exercise. Write the sentences adding the where necessary. The example is number 1. Moon moves slowly round Earth. So we used to add the before moon. because moon only one, so it is definite article used in before moon. So it should be the moon moves slowly around the earth. And then number 2 is also having the same case while it is sun. So we need to add the, we need to add the sun is very hot today. The sun is very hot today. So we have to add the sun is very hot today. Okay. And then how about number 3?
Did you
Tambahkan
see the Pope? The Pope.
Oke, kita pakai the Pope.
When you went to Rome.
Oke, thank you, Mas. Wait, where is my cursor? Okay, did you see the Pope?
The Pope.
Okay, when to pakai the kah kalau Rome?
Tidak.
No.
Tidak ya.
No.
No need to add the for of place.
From.
Okay. Did you see the Pope when you went to Rome? Okay. The next number 4. Sky went very gray and it started to rain.
The sky
went very gray
Okay.
and it started to rain.
The sky went very gray and it started to rain. Okay, so we need to add the because it is sky, yeah. Okay, sky is the only one, yeah. Then how about number 5? I hope
I can go around the world.
I hope I can go around the world one day.
Okay, I hope I can go
around the world.
around the world
one day.
Okay, so we have to add the. Yeah, we have to add the. Where is my? We have to add the Pope, and we do not need to add the before Rome. Then we have to add the before sky, and also we have to add the before the word. Okay. Masih ada yang belum masih bingung dengan penggunaan the? Kalau masih bingung, silahkan. Ini nanti kita bisa sharing. Mungkin temannya juga ada yang bisa menjawab. Sharing saja gitu ya, biar tidak. I'm not the only one here. I'm not the only sources here. Nah, jadi teman-teman semuanya juga, if you have read some references or others, we may we share together here and we discuss together. Okay, let's continue. I think there is another question after this. Okay, this one. Prince of Wales is visiting our town next week.
The Prince of Wales
is visiting our town next week. The Prince.
Okay, so we have to add the before Prince, yeah. Oh, the Prince, not the Prince. Okay, so sorry, it's the Prince. Okay, then next, what is the capital of Sweden? Number 7.
What is the capital of Sweden?
The capital.
The
The capital.
The capital. Sweden.
Jadi maksudnya kawanmu itu di mana? Bukannya
Okay. Then number 8, it was very cold in sea today.
in
Sea.
the sea.
In the sea.
Okay, in the sea. And number 9, how many countries are in European community?
In the
In the European community.
community.
In the
Europe.
European community.
I want to know
Once I met Prime Minister of Spain.
I
I
once met the
the
Prime
time.
Minister of Spain.
Okay. Prime Minister of Spain. Oke ya, jadi kita sudah tahu bedanya, mana yang harus dikasih ide, mana yang tidak perlu ya. Penting lebih definite, lebih mengerucut, lebih lebih what is pointed out. Nah, itu yang kita pakai ya. Oke, let's continue again. Oke, here the use of uncountable ya, uncountable noun. Nah, jadi di sini ada I'd like a glass of water, please. Did you buy a bag of sugar? Jadi ada sesuatu yang tidak biasanya kita bilangnya tapi apa gitu ya. We do not say one water, two waters, but we can count the number of liters of or kilo, and then a liter of milk, 2 kilos of potato, and then it can be a container like a bottle of water, then 3 jars of jam, or the pieces, 2 slices of bread or a piece of chocolate, and then the item you buy, like a loaf of bread and a bar of chocolate. Yeah, then let's fix ya. Choose the word from the box for each object. Number 1 is done for you, like a bottle of shampoo, and then a tin of soap, a tin, sekaleng. Nah, ya. Okay, then how about sugar? And then what about bread? What about juice? What about soap? And then toothpaste, water, honey, and also bread. Oke. Kalau yang sugar kita bisa pakai apa? Di sini ada tube. Tube itu apa biasanya ya maknanya, artinya ya?
The tube.
Oh, toothpaste.
Paste. Yeah.
Oke, biasanya kita pakai untuk toothpaste. Di sini kita pakai a
Carton.
tube of toothpaste. Then di sini ada loaf.
Bread. Loaf.
Bread yang manakah? Yang nomor
Nomor
4
4.
atau yang
Nomor 4.
dulu?
Number 10.
4.
4. 4.
4.
4.
Number 4 or 10?
4.
4.
4.
Okay.
4.
4.
Number 4. How about glass?
Water.
8.
Okay,
Glass of water.
water. And what about bag?
Juice.
A juice? A
Uh,
bag of juice?
Carton or bag?
Juice or sugar?
Sugar or juice?
Hmm.
Carton and bag. Carton.
Big.
Carton. Sugar. Number 3.
Sugar. A bag of sugar.
Sekantong gula.
Honey. A jar.
Your honey.
A jar of
Honey.
honey. And how about carton? A carton of
Juice.
Carton juice.
Juice.
and then it slice.
Slice number 10.
Number 10.
And
Bread of bread. Slice.
Slice of bread. And then the last one is
A bar of soap.
a bar of soap, a bar of chocolate, ya. Potong, tek tek, sepotong tik potek potek. Okay, so
Bottle of shampoo, a tin, a bag, a love, karton, bag, tool, jar, bread itu berarti slice ya, slice.
slice of bread. Sama-sama bread, biasanya kita loaf itu yang seperti ini. Kalau ini yang slice yang dipotong-potong,
Yang tipis ya.
yang tipis.
Oh, iya.
Oke. Sudah?
Ya, sip.
Oke. Kalau sudah, let's move. Kita move lagi. Hari ini pelajarannya enteng-enteng tapi ini ya.
Membingungkan.
Enteng tapi membingungkan. Tapi kan tidak membingungkannya kayak tensis gitu kan, Bu. Kemarin katanya bingung kalau tensis. Nah, sekarang biar ini dulu. Besok kita tensis lagi. Oke. I usually have an egg for breakfast. There are some egg in the fridge and we have some bread. We got some bread. Astagfirullahaladzim. An plus singular countable noun like a sandwich, and then some we use it plural countable noun, some eggs, and also some can be used for uncountable noun like some bread. Okay, let's complete the sentences using an, or some. I would like some soup, please. Is there a bank near here? Then they drank blah 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 milk, and then we went to bed.
they drank some milk and then went to bed.
Okay,
Yeah. Some milk.
some milk. Would you like
And apple.
an apple?
An apple.
There is some rice. In the basket.
There is
Some.
Some.
okay, some rice in the cupboard. And then number 6, did you get
Did you get a bottle of lemon juice?
A butter.
A bottle.
a? And number 7,
Here's
Here's
some
some
money.
money to buy your lunch.
okay, here's some money to buy your lunch. Then number 8, get it?
Starting
A
a
new
new job.
A new job.
Okay.
Okay.
Then number 9, there is
some butter.
Some butter.
Okay.
some butter in the fridge. And then number 10,
I usually have
okay,
a
A cup of tea.
cup of tea in the morning. Oke, sudah bisa membedakan semua ya ini ya, between the use between an, and some ya. And an can be or digantikan dengan singular stable noun, while kalau kemarin sempat bertanya kapan si Miss menggunakan kapan menggunakan an begitu ya. Kalau itu sesuatu yang diawali dengan huruf konsonan. Kalau an itu bendanya atau nounnya adalah yang diawali dengan huruf vokal ya. Like an apple di sini contohnya an apple. Di sini a bottle, a cup of tea di sini C. Nah, a new job N. Oke, a bank. This is B, consonant ya. While for the N it is used when the first letter or the pronunciation ya. Biasanya suaranya ya, Bu. Kalau di Inggris itu nggak hanya tulisannya saja tetapi juga pronunciation seperti apa. Kalau pronunciation itu lebih cenderung ke konsonan, biasanya memakainya ya. Jadi tidak a university, not an university, but university. Jadi not an university, although the letter here is U, vowel ya, vokal. Kalau kita lihat U, akan tetapi eh, cara pelafalannya adalah U. So we add a, not an. A university. Bacanya karena bukan a university, but university. So this is menggunakan bukan an. Oke, sudah ini ya kita move ya. Pokoknya ibu-ibu kalau ibu-ibu atau teman-teman semuanya kalau ada yang nggak paham langsung aja bertanya biar nggak kelewat begitu ya.
Miss Ulfa, saya mau bertanya, kalau misalnya saya membeli pesisir pisang, jadi kita menggunakan apa di sana?
Bye, bye.
Pesisir pisang.
Oke, sesisir pisang. Nah, teman-teman ada yang tahu bahasa Inggrisnya sesisir pisang? Karena Bu Lestari belinya nggak satu biji begitu. Oke, ada yang tahu bahasa Inggrisnya sesisir pisang? Oke, biasanya pakainya begini, Bu. Nah, tapi bukan ekom ya. Kalau ekom itu kan bahasanya sisir beneran gitu ya. Coba
Ya, agak aneh ya.
agak aneh ya. Karena memang kalau beli sebentar. Let's try to find the ini. Kita cari yang paling sesuai.
Udah pakai buns nggak, Miss? A bunch of banana.
Hmm.
A bunch. A
Bunch
bunch.
of banana. Ya lebih ini ya. Saya agak lupa ini. A bunch of banana. Ya lebih ke sana ya daripada kita kalau beli beli apa namanya? Kalau apa ya? Beli pisang itu kalau di kita memang belinya satu sisir begitu ya. Jadi kalau kalau di luar kayaknya nggak sebanyak itu ya, paling cuma 3 biji, 4 biji gitu ya.
Model Sunbright satuan ini Sunbright.
Betul. Jadi kita a bunch of banana itu kita bisa dibilang adalah uh, like a bunch a hand ya, like a hand yang satu satu sisir ya. Tapi kalau yang satu bijian gimana sih bilangnya? Eh, eh, Gimana sih bilangnya? How to say it? Ya, bunch of banana itu yang satu satu sisir begitu ya. Tapi kalau biasanya belinya cuma satu dua lebih condong atau lebih biasa dipakaikan one atau two yang finger saja yang satu aja gitu ya, yang bijian. Nah, seperti itu sih Bu biasanya lebih ke sekelompok ya jadi a bunch of banana lebih tapi maknanya bukan seikat pisang begitu ya tapi sesisir ya. Nanti ketika di dari bahasa Inggris ke bahasa Indonesianya, oh buns oh berarti seikat. Nah, jadi susah nih mengartikannya seikat pisang. Padahal kalau pisang tidak seikat gitu ya. Oke, so a bunch itu biasanya ada a bunch of rose ya seikat rose. Kemudian ada a bunch of uh,
Seikat sayur.
ya sayur spinach. Nah, yang seperti itu biasanya seperti itu gitu ya. Oke, tapi makna Barnes itu memang lebih sekelompok atau seikat gitu ya, tergantung kata setelahnya. Oke, let's move to the next one, to the next slide. Okay, we have any. Let me clear all. We have some and any. It can be in the form of positive, negative, and question. I've got an orange. I've got some oranges and I've got some bread. Some in positive sentences. Well, if we want to stay in negative, we can say, I haven't got an orange. I haven't got any oranges and I don't got any bread. Okay. If in the form of questions, we can say, have you got an orange? Ya. Are there any oranges? Nah, seperti ini. Bisa menggunakan yang have atau yang is atau are atau to be begitu ya. Okay, then countable nouns positive like in singular form it is an orange and plural some oranges. For uncountable noun we can say it is some in positive way, in positive speaking, yeah, in positive sentence. While for the negative and questions, for countable noun, if we want to show it is singular, so we use a or an orange, yeah. While for plurals, we can say any oranges. I have any oranges, yeah. While for negatif, this is any. Berarti kalau kita ketemu kata any, berarti biasanya akan ada I don't have any. Ya, aku nggak duit-duit belas misalnya. Aku nggak punya uang sama sekali. I don't have any penny. Nah, ya, bahkan nggak money gitu ya. Penny sekecil uang penny nggak punya. Nah, I don't have any penny. Dan for uncountable noun, any too, ya, we use any. Untuk yang plural, yang negatif ketika singular menggunakan atau an, ketika plural menggunakan any, ketika ada uncountable noun menggunakan any. This is for negative and questions. But for positive, we use some. Kita menggunakan some for plural and uncountable nouns. How about it if it is in offer and request? Yeah, we usually use some using would you like blah 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 blah. Yeah, would you like an orange? Would you like some oranges or would you like some bread? Yeah. While in a question, we can use can I have an orange? Can I have some oranges or can I have some bread? Oke, jadi bedanya some and any, ketika di positif kita lebih menggunakan some. Ketika kalimat negatif kita menggunakan any. Oke, oke, then let's move. Okay, finish? Not yet? Okay.
Turn, Miss.
Okay. Where is my pen? Okay. I had blah 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 blah.
A cup of tea, but I didn't have any toast.
Okay. I have a cup of tea, but I didn't have.
Any toast.
Then how about number 4? You need blah 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 blah.
You need some flour,
Some
some
flour and an egg.
Flour and
Mm.
an egg. Number 5.
I'd like some rice.
Okay.
But I don't want
But I don't want
any potatoes.
any potatoes. Number 6. Would you like
a bowl of soup, bowl,
Would you like
Boiled
bowl of soup,
a bowl of soup?
bowl of soup?
or he gave me
tea,
He gave
some tea.
me
a tea, but
Some
put
tea.
any
Some tea. But he didn't put any sugar in it.
Okay. Number 7.
Seven. He gave
He
me
gave me
no words.
some or any. He gave
He
me
gave me some tea,
okay,
but
some tea, but
he didn't put any sugar.
okay, but he didn't put any sugar in it.
Yeah.
There are some
Some there are
there are some
some nice trees.
Some nice trees in the garden, but they aren't.
flowers.
There
but
aren't
there
any
aren't any
flowers.
flowers.
Okay, any flowers. And number 9.
Can
Can
I
I
have
have
a glass?
some?
The place.
Can I have
A glass.
I have
a glass of orange juice?
of glass of juice, a glass of orange juice.
Okay, next number 10.
There are some knives.
There are some knives
There are some knives
Knives
and forks on the table, but there isn't
isn't
any
any
salt of paper,
any.
any salt.
Pokoknya kalau negatif berarti tambahin any gitu ya. Oke, cirinya seperti itu. Whenever the sentence is in negative form, so we use any. Okay, for countable plural and also uncountable noun, we use any. But if it is in a positive uh, sentence, and it is what's that? Plural and also uncountable noun, we use some. Okay, sudah
Ada
dicatat,
loh Pak
saya
yang tinggal gara-gara ketutupan.
pindahkan ya.
Miss Ulfa,
Yep.
yang nomor 1 kenapa kita menggunakan any?
Yang nomor 1, yang kedua kita menggunakan any karena di sini ada kalimat merupakan kalimat negatif, Ibu. Nah, di sini ada I didn't have. Nah, kalau negatif kita tambahkan any. Ketika
Nomor
kalimat
1 maksud saya, yang have you got any juice in the
oh,
fridge?
ini adalah bentuk pertanyaannya. Nah, oke, let's see. Bentar ya. Mari kita buka kembali di kalimat pertanyaan. Ya. If
Ya.
it is in any in question and negative sentences. Ya. Have you got an, any, and. Nah, bisa dipakai untuk kalimat pertanyaan. Dan juga kalimat negatif. I haven't got any. Oke. So here, have you got any juice in the fridge? Kok nggak menggunakan many? Apa? Many, some gitu ya. Have you got some juice in the fridge? Untuk kalimat pertanyaan, any digunakan dalam kalimat pertanyaan dan juga negatif. Yang di sini kebetulan contoh yang this one. Can I have this can have karena ada auxiliary ya, ada auxiliary can I have a glass of juice, orange juice, not any glass, tapi karena sudah definite di sini ada can I, so can I have a glass of orange juice. Oke, seperti di sini tadi disebutkan, can I have bla 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 bla, can I have an orange, can I have some oranges, and can I have a bread. Jika kita flashback kepada yang tadi ada a glass of bla 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 bla, a cup of bla 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 bla, a jar of bla 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 bla, nah, bisa kita satukan. Oke, semoga kelihatan ya. Circle the correct word to complete the conversation. This is a nice restaurant. What's the food like? Well, I came here last month with Jeremy and blah 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 blah. Food was very delicious. Yang mana ini? Yang atau yang atau yang
The food was very good.
Yang
Yeah, the food. The food. The food was very good.
Oke.
Itu lagi ya, Miss. Halo?
Okay, then how about number 4?
Number 4, the waiters. The waiter.
The waiter.
Okay. Oh, good. Here is the waiter. Okay, then how
Wah,
about
Miss, kalau waiternya ada S-nya tetap pakai the ya?
the waiters?
Iya,
Bisa.
tetap pakai the ya.
bukan some. Kalau berapa itu nanti ada, misalnya kita menyebutkan di situ there are 10, misalnya there are 10 waiters in that restaurant, dan some of them are girl and some of them are boy, itu bisa ya, beberapa laki-laki beberapa perempuan bisa. Tapi kalau di sini konteksnya adalah di sana ada here is the waiter. Ketika kita datang, gimana makanannya? Here is the jadi kita dikenalkan, mana sih itu loh orangnya. Biasanya kan kita manggil ya. Nah, kalau di restoran kita manggil atau mereka yang mendatangin. Nah,
Sorry, Miss.
yep.
Eh, the waiter ini di sini bisa bermakna pelayan itu ya.
Iya.
Iya, I think the itu digunakan hanya untuk sesuatu yang tunggal gitu kan, tidak ada yang menyerupai. Sedangkan waiter ini kan mungkin banyak ya. Ini waiter itu kan lumrah gitu. Tapi bisa menggunakan the.
Bisa. Tadi
Oh, iya.
ketika when we talk about the and the is definite article, it means that if it is, or if the thing, or if the people, if the something, we have known each other between the speaker and listener, we can use the. Bisa menggunakan the sebagai artikelnya.
Iya, iya. Berarti sebagai tanda kekhususan juga ya.
Ya, betul. Jadi
Iya,
memang
iya.
definite. Jadi kita tahu itu apa namanya, siapa itu, apa itu. Nah, dua-duanya antara speaker and listener having the same idea about it karena sudah sama-sama tahu.
Iya. Berarti tidak hanya digunakan untuk sesuatu yang hanya satu di
No,
dunia ini, kan?
itu salah satu the use yang lainnya tadi ya Bu ya, karena kan ada dua. Yang pertama adalah satu, not one from them gitu ya, bukan. Kalau bedanya sama the, kalau kan bisa umum, misalnya ada beberapa mobil di sana, kita bisa a car, ya, a car dari mana, oh di situ ternyata di parking lot, nah ternyata ada parkiran banyak, nah one a car gitu, bisa menyebutkan a car. Tapi kalau kita sudah tahu mobil kita posisinya di sini, ininya di sini ya, warnanya ini ya, ketika ditanya, Mam, ini belanjaan ditaruh mana? In the car. Nah, car yang mana? Car yang sudah tahu kita punyanya ibu dan anaknya tadi.
Iya.
It's having the same function of the here. Karena sama-sama tahu the waiter menunjuk sama waiter yang sama, nah maka kita menggunakan the.
Oh iya. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, and then how about number 5?
Have you got any fresh fish tonight?
Pardon? Have you got some or any?
Any
Any, kenapa any? Bentuknya
question.
pertanyaan.
Ya.
Okay. Have you got any fresh fish tonight? Yes, we have got blah 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 blah, very good fish.
Some.
Very,
We have got some good fish.
Some or
Some.
okay. Here, the fisherman brought them in this morning. Oh, good. Well, I'd like blah 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 fish, please. I'd like
I'd like
some
some.
fish.
okay.
I'd like some fish.
Some fish, please. And would you like blah 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 vegetable with your fish? Yes,
Would you
please.
like?
The vegetable.
Would you like?
Would you like
Two
D.
vegetables.
Vegetables. D.
Would you like?
the vegetables?
Which vegetable, Bu?
Some vegetable,
Some
some vegetable.
vegetable. Biasanya ada mau nggak sekalian nah gitu ya. Kalau kita belikan nggak sekalian sayurnya, kita belikan nggak sekalian sayurnya. Jadi bukan sayur yang mana begitu ya. Kalau dikembalikan pertanyaannya sayur yang mana, ya belum tahu, nggak sekalian sayurnya kah? Yes, please. Kan baru ditawarin. And would you like some vegetable with your fish? Yes, please. Okay, how about 9?
And what about starter?
Okay, and what about
Starter.
a starter? Makanan pembuka apa ini? Pembuka. There is blah, 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 very good vegetable soup and
There is
fish soup.
some.
Some very good vegetable soup.
No. Vegetable soup.
Some.
Okay, come.
Tapi itu pakai there is ya, Miss. Saya bingungnya. There is.
There
There
is. Kalau pertanyaannya is there any? Okay, this is bukan pertanyaan, tetapi there is pernyataan. There
There
is
is
some
some.
very good
Bukan,
vegetable.
kenapa bukan there are some gitu.
Iya,
There,
ya kan.
there
Harusnya
is.
kan kalau banyak kan there are gitu kan.
There are some.
Mhm.
Gitu.
Oh, this one.
Iya.
Okay. There is some very penggunaan some tadi ya bisa dipakai ketika plural and also uncountable noun.
Oh, there is bisa buat uncountable noun.
Karena ada shop di situ ya.
Sini
Nah,
ya.
terus ada N ini Miss bikin bingung. An and some gitu.
Oke ya. Jadi
And some berarti and some delicious fish soup.
and some delicious fish soup. Jadi ininya juga some juga karena kan sama. There is some and there is some fish soup. Jadi pilihannya ada vegetable soup or fish soup. Jadi hitung bukan jumlah ada duanya ini ya, tapi lebih ke supnya.
Berarti boleh ya Miss pakai is ya. There is bla bla some bla 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 and some bla bla bla.
Iya, it seems biasanya lebih ke arah jamak ya, lebih ke arah plural. But this is the writer
Atau
is
yang tidak bisa dihitung mungkin ya uncountable.
uncountable now. Okay, then how about number 12?
No, thank you. I don't want any soup.
Okay. When it is negative sentence, so we use any.
And would you like a drink?
A drink or the drink?
The drink.
Kalau
Minuman
yang
ini.
kan pelayannya hanya menanyakan, and would you like a drink? Minumannya apa, Mbak?
Belum
Bukan
tahu mau minum apa ya
belum
Miss
tahu
ya.
minum
Oh,
apa.
the drink.
And would you like a drink? Oh gitu.
Nah, kalau the drink berarti minumannya sudah
Udah tahu.
sudah
Sudah
tahu.
jelas. Yeah. I'd like a glass of fruit juice?
Wait.
I'd like the glass of fruit juice before.
I'd like a glass of fruit juice before a meal. Yes. Would you like a drink? Yes, I'd like.
Okay, how about number 14? Yes, I'd like.
Yes, I'd like a glass,
A glass of fruit
Glass
juice
a
of
glass,
juice
a glass of fruit juice
Juice before
before the
before
meal.
the
before
meal.
the meal. Nah, tadi sudah pesankah makanannya before the meal, sebelum makanan. And then we can have blah 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 mineral
And
water.
we can, any.
Any
Can we have any mineral water?
mineral water with the meal. Yes, any.
Wait. Okay, that's number 16, right? And then we can have blah 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 mineral water with the meal. Any or some?
Any.
And
Some.
Then we have
Some.
okay, and we have some. Can we have?
Can we have? Bukan itu question.
Oke, kalau pertanyaan ketika didulu dengan can, tadi yang paling bawah di teorinya,
Some.
can I have an orange? Any oranges? Kayaknya bisa semua tadi ya. Okay, then yes, of course. And for you, madam, well, I don't want blah 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 starter, but I'll have blah 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 glass of fruit juice too, and then I'll have blah 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 spaghetti with tomato sauce.
I don't want the starter.
Mhm.
The start.
One,
The
number
starter.
one,
I want the starter.
or the.
The
Tadi di atas pakai ya.
Oke, tadi di atas pakai kita pakai Okay, I don't want a starter, but I'll have
The glass.
A
mhm,
glass.
a
Glass.
glass.
Fruit juice.
A glass.
Okay, a glass of fruit juice, and then I'll have
I'll have some
okay, I'll have some
spaghetti
spaghetti with tomato sauce.
sauce. Fine. Anything
Fine.
else?
Anything else? Oh yes, please.
Yes. I'd like
Mhm.
a bowl.
A bowl of salad.
A
About
bowl.
salad. Yes, certainly. Would you like a blah 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 blah?
Would you like
Some bread.
some bread?
Okay, some bread.
Some bread.
Yes,
Yes,
please.
please.
Is
Any
there
is there
Some butter.
any
any?
butter?
Oh yeah.
Is
And
there?
butter.
Bentuk kalimat pertanyaan ya. Is there?
Yeah.
Is there any? Can I get some? Okay. Okay. Remaining one question. Yes, there is. So it is that all for now? Yes, I just one question. Where is blah 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 blah?
The toilet.
The toilet.
Where is the toilet, please? Toilet mana? Toilet yang ada di restoran tersebut, ya.
Mm-mm.
Oke, sudah dicatat atau yang mau mencatat atau yang ini saya tidak menyediakan lembar jawaban ya.
Hmm.
Oke, let me clear and then let's move to the next one. Apakah masih ada? Oke, this is degree of comparison ya. Sekarang kita membicarakan tentang degree of comparison. We can say the restaurant is more expensive than the one across the road. And then Sue's friend liar than her sister. Please be more careful. Then she is 5 years older than her husband. If we want to say uh, more ya, atau lebih gitu ya, in one syllable adjective, so we can add er. Kita menambahkan er then. Like in the word cheap become cheaper, and then clean become cleaner, dark become darker, and then big become bigger. Then blah 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 blah. For example, we can say, what is cheap? What is cheap? Candy is cheaper than a chocolate. Okay, my house is cleaner than your house. Okay, at 12 o'clock or at 12 a.m. or in 1 a.m. is darker than in 1 p.m. Nah, misalnya aja ya. Okay, so we can add to be dulu, kemudian adjektifnya ditambahi er, kemudian then. Kenapa kok biasa menggunakan to be? Karena yang digunakan perbandingan adalah kata sifat, bukan kata kerja. Nah, kalau kata kerja kita tidak menggunakan to be, tetapi tidak ada ya menyapu, menyapur, sweeper, nah bukan. Ya nanti jadinya bentuk noun yang ditambahi er itu jadinya berbeda function. Kalau di sini aja adjektif, ketika ditambah er, kemudian ditambah then, jadinya lebih, bermakna lebih. Oke ya. This is for spelling, spelling big, bigger, G-nya 2. Nah, oke, dan two syllable the when the adjective is two syllable and ending by y, ya, like pretty, happy, dirty. Nah, ketika berubah menjadi er, y-nya harus diganti dengan i. Prettier, happier, dirtier. Tidak langsung ditambahkan pretty, langsung ditambah er di sini ya, bukan. Tapi diganti dulu y-nya, i-nya diganti dulu dengan i, baru ditambah er. Maknanya sama, lebih. Prettier, lebih cantik ya. Mbak Sylvia is prettier than Miss Ulfa.
No, same.
Lah contoh no Mbak. Oke, misalnya kita boleh contoh yang berikutnya adalah Mbak Janet is happier than Miss Ulfa. It can be kan. Nah, karena Mbak Janet selalu cheerful, selalu ceria. Nah, orang lain memaknainya dengan Mbak Janet is
Happier.
happier than Miss
Ah,
Ulfa.
happier than.
Oke, jadi ada pembandingnya ya. Because this is the degree of comparison. Jadi ketika dibandingkan pasti ada yang dibandingkan dan yang membandingkan gitu ya. Pasti there are two things. Pasti akan ada dua benda atau ada dua barang yang dibandingkan ya. For example, this phone is this pen is cheaper than phone. Ya jelas lah Miss gitu ya. Kan memang ini pen, ini HP. Nah, yang murah yang mana? Lebih murah yang pulpen. So, the pen is cheaper than the phone. Kalau dibalik, Miss, kalau dibalik begini, the phone ini lebih mahal daripada pulpen. Bagaimana ngomongnya? Nah, karena mahal, expensive, lebih dari 3 suku kata, more than 3 syllable, so we no need to add er after the adjective, but we add more. This phone is more expensive than this pen. Oke, jadi bedanya ketika ada 1 syllable atau 2 syllable ditambahi er, and then plus then, kalau lebih dari 2 syllable atau lebih dari 3 syllable, maka menggunakan more. More di sini contohnya adalah more expensive than. This restaurant is more expensive than the one across the road. We have yang obvious example. This phone is more expensive than the pen. Sangat jelas ya. Ini lebih mahal daripada pulpen. Berarti kalau pulpennya, the pen is cheaper than the phone. Lebih murah daripada HP. Jadi ketika kita menuliskan ya benda A misalnya ya, to be, is, kemudian ditambahkan dengan adjektif. Kalau 1 syllable berarti nanti ditambah dengan er ya, then be. Oke, di sini kita bisa menambahkan ya adjektifnya plus er jika 1 atau 2 syllable saja. Nah, kalau yang kedua is bla ini adjektifnya ditaruh di belakang, ditambahin more dulu. Nah, ya baru more adjektif. Nah, adjektifnya adalah yang kata sifat yang lebih dari 2 syllable atau lebih dari 2 suku kata. Contohnya yang pertama adalah Mbak Janet is happier than Mbak Sylvie. Ini contoh aja loh Mbak ya. Nanti protes lagi nih Mbak Sylvie-nya.
Nggak bisa.
Okay. And then the second one is Mbak Sylvie is more beautiful than Miss Ulfa. Oke, kita lihat bedanya di sini. What makes different is when it is happier than. Dan di sini ada is, ada more than. Nah, ketika nanti ketemu di soal TOEFL misalnya ataupun IELTS, ketika ada perbandingan diperiksa dulu ini ya, ada to be, ada er atau more, ada than. Nah, biasanya jebakannya di soal TOEFL nanti ada then tapi nggak ada to be-nya. Nah, to be-nya dihilangin misalnya. Atau didobelin. Mbak Janet is more happier than Mbak Sylvie. Nah, contoh jebakannya semacam itu. Atau ditambahkan, Mbak Sylvie is more beautiful. Ada RER-nya begitu ya. Dan Miss Ulfa. Nah, biasanya jebakannya di TOEFL seperti itu. Okay, is there any question about degree of comparison? Kalau masih ada pertanyaan, langsung tanya saja, biar nggak
Miss,
ketumpuk lagi.
Miss Ulfa, saya mau tanya kalau misalnya kita buat kalimat belajar bahasa Inggris lebih mudah dipelajari daripada bahasa Belanda misalnya. Nah, itu bagaimana, Miss?
Oke, belajar bahasa Inggris apa Bu bahasa Inggrisnya?
Learning
English
English
Oke, learning English
is
is
lebih mudah
easier
mudah dari
ya
kata easy. Ketika easy,
dipelajari
kita ganti kan berakhiran y, we have to change y into
easier
I. And this one, learning English is easier than
oh
than England.
bahasa Belanda apa?
Deutsch Deutsch ya
Dutch
apa
ya.
Deutsch.
Oh iya, Dutch.
Oh berarti yang dipelajarinya itu nggak usah diartikan lagi ya, lebih mudah dipelajari.
Boleh. Boleh
Oh
ditulis, boleh tidak, Bu. Jadi
oh
kalau itu sudah difahamin, ya sudah. Misalnya,
oh
oh
gitu.
harus ditulis, ya harus ditulis. Biar paham saja. Learning English is easier than learning Dutch is okay. Ya, mau learning English is easier than Dutch, ya boleh begitu ya. Pokoknya ininya sudah terpenuhi. Ada subjeknya, kemudian ada is atau to be ya. Mungkin nanti nggak hanya is ya. Misalnya eh, subjeknya plural, maka yang ayu dewe gitu bisa jadi di sini eh, are ya, bisa jadi di sini are. Nah, akan tetapi biasanya kalau kita membandingkan itu pasti satu dibandingkan dengan satu. Ya, jadi seringkali kita menggunakan is bla 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 er than ya, is more bla 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 than. Kalau nanti biasanya kan kalau dibandingkan dengan banyak orang berarti kan nantinya jadinya yang paling karena banyak perbandingannya ya. Jadi bukan perbandingan namanya karena paling. Nah, nanti ada sendiri. For
Kalau
example,
itu
ya
kalau lebih dari ya gitu.
hmm,
Kalau misalnya penggunaan kurang dari itu kan juga perbandingan misalnya atau lebih kecil dari.
we can say less than. Akan tetapi ini biasanya ini Bu apa namanya eh, biasanya ya rumus ini atau pelajaran ini ya degree of comparison itu lebih memang sesuatu itu kan kita membandingkannya lebih gitu kan ya.
Ya,
Si A lebih bla 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 dari si B. Jadi tidak si A lebih eh, jadi nanti kita ininya di apa namanya di adjektifnya Bu, mainnya di adjektifnya.
oh,
Jadi bukan ke yang ranah lesnya atau gimana ya. Misalnya kita mau mau bilang kalau tadi Mbak Sylvie is more beautiful than Miss Ulfa, misalnya mau lebih ke Mbak Sylvie-nya yang lebih gak cantik misalnya ya. It can be Mbak Sylvie is more ugly than Miss Ulfa. Jadi masih bermain di is, more, and then kata sifatnya saja yang dirubah.
oh, oh, understand. Thank you, Miss Eva.
Oke. Yang lainnya Sudah paham ya?
Yes, Miss.
Ya, Miss. Yang sering kejebak biasanya itu double R, more bigger gitu, more
Nah,
cheaper. Saya sering kejebak.
oke, ke Jepang biasanya begitu ya.
Soalnya more cheaper. Tapi kok aneh, ya? Ada more, ada R.
Double-double. Nah, itu biasanya jebakannya soal TOEFL seperti itu.
Mm.
Oke. Miss, untuk degree of comparison berlaku untuk adjektif sajakah? Iya, karena yang kita bisa bandingkan adalah sifatnya, ya, bukan nounnya, bukan kata kerjanya. Jadi yang bisa dibandingkan adalah adjektifnya saja, bukan eh, Mbak Janet lebih Miss Ulfah daripada Mbak Sylvie. Nah, kan nggak bisa jadinya kalau pakai noun, ya. Biasanya kita yang melebih-lebihkan adalah atau dilebih-lebihkan adalah yang dibanding-bandingkan adalah sifatnya. Oke, kita punya apa lagi? Apakah masih punya? Nah, kalau ini yang more ya. Other two syllable adjective. Careful, more careful. Worried, more worried. Most other two syllable adjective use more plus adjective than. Nah, sudah ini kan tadi ya. Syllable itu apa sih? Suku kata ya. Three syllable berarti expensive, expensive. Intelligent, intelligent. Nah, menghitungnya begitu. Jadi more than two syllable. Ada expensive, ada intelligent, ada beautiful, ada interesting, more plus adjective plus than. But how about irregular verb? Nah, ternyata masih ada aja ya irregular. Di mana-mana pasti ada irregular ya. Contohnya good, bukan gooder, tetapi jadinya better ya. Bad bukan better, tetapi worse. Nah, nanti akan ketemu kata-kata yang eksklusif-eksklusif seperti ini ya. Irregular comparative. Oke, we have happy become happier. We have difficult become
More difficult.
more difficult. Clean become
Cleaner.
Cleaner.
Clean.
how about early?
Earlier.
Ear.
Jangan lupa akhiran Y diganti dengan E. Earlier. Beautiful.
More beautiful.
Dan soft become
Oh.
soft. Softer. Loh, kok gak ada?
Oh.
Softer. Intelligent become
More.
more.
Intelligent.
Dirty become
Dirtier.
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 Ear.
Good become
Better.
Better.
better. Careful become
More careful.
More careful.
okay.
Careful.
Then cheap.
Careful.
Cheaper.
Okay. Cheaper.
Or.
Strong.
Stronger.
Strong.
Strong.
Stronger. More
Interesting become
More
More interesting.
more interesting.
interesting.
Hot become
Hotter.
Hotter.
Double T.
double
T.
T. Hotter. Warm become
hotter. Warmer.
Warmer.
Normal.
warmer. Then how about expensive?
More
More
expensive.
More expensive.
Fresh.
Fresher.
Fresh.
Pressure.
Pressure. Then how about kind?
Kinder.
Kinder.
Okay. Kinder. Kinder.
Kinder.
Kinder.
Or
Then
boring.
More
boring.
More
Boring become.
boring.
Okay. More. How about cool? Cool. Cool.
Colder.
Okay. Colder. How about honest?
More
More honest.
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 More
Loh,
honest.
saya ngetik ternyata nggak muncul. More
More
honest. Then
honest.
busy become
Busier.
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 Busier. Busier. Younger.
Young
Yang.
become
younger,
Younger.
More.
near become
Ni.
Nearer.
Nearer.
near,
funny
Funnier.
become okay. Fun near
Funnier.
Ni. Funnier.
easy become
Easier.
easier. Bad become
Worse.
Worse.
okay. Worse. Late become
Later.
Later.
later. Dangerous become
More
More
dangerous.
More dangerous.
dangerous. Weak.
Aduh.
Weaker.
Weak. Okay. Weak and weaker. Semakin lemah dan semakin lemah. Okay. Then what we have next? Oh, sorry. I have to clear first. Complete the sentences using a comparative and then. She is much younger than her husband. It is a warmer day than yesterday. And then how about fresh?
Fresher.
Okay. The vegetable in the shop are fresher than the one in the supermarket. And then number 4, the train is
More expensive.
More
than
expensive.
more expensive than the bus. This new TV program is much blah 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 than old one.
funnier,
Okay,
Funnier.
much funnier than.
oh,
Number
then,
6, the Miss Davis is a
Better than.
better than
Better teacher.
better than teacher Andrews.
okay, better than Mr. Andrews. My office is blah 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 blah. Helen's.
Nearer.
Nearest than.
Nearer.
Than
Nearer
Helen.
than.
Is nearer than Helen's.
Then.
Okay, then number 8, the traffic is noisier than it was last year.
It was
Okay. I think there's no problem regarding what is the use of yeah, some and also any, and then we come to the degree of comparison, yeah, with one syllable and also two syllable, yeah. Whenever it is one syllable, we add er after the adjective and then followed by then, and then while it is more than two syllable, so we have to add more before the adjective and then followed by then. Karena perbandingan, always there are two things that we compare each other. Okay, is there any question about it? Okay, if there is no question, could you mind to over your cam? Bisa dibuka kameranya sebentar? Oke. Mas Jabran, Bu Wati, Bu Vivi, boleh dibuka sebentar kameranya? Oke. I'll take picture. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. Okay, class, I think that's all for today. And tomorrow we will meet again at the same time, yeah, with different. Perhaps we can come to the tenses again and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Thank you, Miss Ulfa. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you,
Thank
Miss.
you, Miss. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.